Hey everybody, Cliff from SpeedCurve here to show you a quick addition that we've made to make your lives a little bit easier. I'm going to look here really quickly at a Web Vitals dashboard that we've created. You've seen the videos, you've seen how to do this, and those of you that are familiar with favorites dashboards are also familiar with the fact that sometimes it can be a little bit of a pain if you want to actually go in and look at specific dimensions like page groups or specifically like the mobile or desktop device that you want to look at. So we've actually added for you the ability to filter these favorites dashboards. So previously when you go in and you would look at this chart, we could add the metric that we want to look at. We could pick the percentile, and then we would filter on all the data. You would put here the specific site, specific page label, maybe the specific browser, and then that would be applied to the chart. The problem was that people started doing this and needing to create multiple dashboards and layers and layers and layers of dashboards, which was kind of a pain to maintain as well as just a pain to create and a little bit hard to navigate. So now you can simply go here, select the site that you might want to look at, and select the specific page label you want to look at. Maybe you want to look at desktop or mobile, and go ahead and select that. So it works just that way, just as you would expect it to. However, there's still going to be times that you want to apply chart level filters in order to create your dashboards. Here's an example of that. If we look at Core Web Vitals and we want to break that out across all of our different industries and my specific industry benchmark that we've set up, I can now do that just by saying, okay, I'm still going to filter for the metric, but in addition to being able to use the dashboard level filters, I want to apply in a filter for each site here so I can see what this looks like as I navigate through my different charts. So I'll be doing that if I were to go up here and try to filter to a specific site like Tesco, for example, and filter that, you'll see that the charts don't change. They don't update. We keep that very sticky to the chart where you've already created that filter. However, if you want to look at other specifics, say you want to focus on just looking at mobile devices for these Core Web Vitals across your industry, you can do that and the filter will then cascade down through the other charts. So hopefully a time saver, hopefully something you can get a lot of use out of, something that you've all been asking for, and we're really happy that we're able to ship this for you. Thanks and have a good day.